So Airbus is one of the pioneer companies in the aerospace industry, looking for building sustainable applications for people to travel safely. My role is R&D, so research and development for the central team. My specific participation with this team is to lead projects in terms of robotics and effectors, but also to incorporate reliability into the design from the very beginning of the research campaign. One of the biggest challenges for Airbus or for the aerospace industry nowadays, in my opinion, are the safety implications of new applications or new developments. When we talk about safety, the process to incorporate new machines into the shop floor are required to follow specific steps and involving multiple people along the way. So that's for me the most challenging situation in terms of robotics nowadays. One of the ways of improving the life cycle management of a new technology is to incorporate reliability from the very beginning, using specific tools and processes to develop a solid specification of the machine, solid procurement process, and collaborate with manufacturers and the supply chain in general. Establishing objectives for commissioning, installation, precision commissioning and installation is one of the key things in my opinion. But additional to that, the operation of the machine needs to incorporate precision operation and precision maintenance to extend the useful life of the machine. So definitely reliability will enhance the life cycle of any new technology. This show is a big opportunity for me as a professional to share some of the developments we're making in terms of reliability and robotics applied to improving process reliability at the end of the day. It gives me the opportunity to share all those knowledge and also know from other people, interact with other people, create the necessary network to know what other companies are doing in the field of reliability and robotics as well.